Landing page ready VSL with talking head, B-roll, and captions. Start with your product, a presenter photo, and a target video length. Bob defines objectives and audience. Then, crafts a script using the PASS formula. Next, generates a talking head and B-roll that fit your story. Finally, assembles a polished VSL with captions. Receive a script, talking head video, and a finely tuned VSL ready to deploy. Need a video sales letter? Get it done in 3 hours, not 12. Each VSL gets quicker with reusable assets. Create persuasive sales videos in record time.